1. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $28,000, located, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is a classic American hot rod that combines timeless styling with dependable performance. Finished with a fiberglass body, this coupe captures the iconic appearance of one of the most desirable Ford designs ever produced while offering the practicality and lighter weight many hot rod enthusiasts appreciate. Under the hood is a small block Ford the 5.8 engine paired with a Holley carburetor and Sanderson Street rod headers, delivering strong power and the unmistakable sound that hot rod fans love. This coupe is equipped with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, providing solid stopping power for enjoyable cruising. Additional features include an electric cooling fan, power windows, cloth bucket seats, suicide doors, and attractive weld wheels that complete the aggressive street rod stance. The vehicle is designed as a comfortable hot rod rather than a dedicated race car, making it ideal for weekend drives, local car shows, and cruise nights. The car presents itself as a well-built custom with classic character and modern upgrades. It runs well, drives confidently, and offers the distinctive appearance that always attracts attention wherever it goes. For enthusiasts seeking a traditional hot rod experience with proven V8 power, this 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is an excellent opportunity. 2. 1954 Chevrolet 3100 panel truck. Price, $27,500, located, Akron, Ohio. The 1954 Chevrolet 3100 panel truck is a unique custom classic that blends vintage truck styling with powerful big block performance and modern driving upgrades. Finished in an eye-catching burgundy exterior with a tan custom interior, this panel truck stands out wherever it goes. Under the hood is a strong 454 Chevrolet big block V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit, delivering impressive power and dependable operation for both cruising and long-distance driving. Built using a 1974 Chevelle drivetrain, suspension, and rear end, this truck benefits from upgraded engineering while maintaining its classic Chevrolet appearance. The vehicle features 4-wheel disc brakes, power brakes, a 12-bolt rear axle, and 3.73 gears for confident performance on the road. Additional mechanical upgrades include an electric fuel pump, dual-stage electric cooling fans, a new high-torque starter, and a stainless steel exhaust system that produces a deep performance sound. Inside, the custom interior is enhanced by LED lighting, modern gauges, electric wipers, vintage air conditioning, and heat for year-round comfort. The truck also includes a sunroof, air shocks, trailer hitch, and widened rear fenders to accommodate larger tires. With attractive paint, chrome trim, and dependable drivability, this 1954 Chevrolet 3100 panel truck is a distinctive custom cruiser ready to enjoy immediately. 3. 1928 Ford Model A Sedan Street Rod. Price, $34,000, located, Rives Junction, Michigan. This 1928 Ford Model A Sedan Street Rod is a professionally built custom that combines classic Ford styling with modern hot rod performance. Featuring an all-steel body and a show-quality finish, the car presents exceptionally well from every angle. Powered by a stroked 348 cubic inch engine expanded to 366 cubic inches and paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, this street rod offers strong acceleration, smooth shifting, and dependable performance. The build quality is evident throughout the vehicle, including a beautifully finished interior designed for comfort and style. The suspension incorporates rear coilovers, helping provide a smooth ride while maintaining excellent road manners. The underside of the vehicle is finished to the same high standard as the exterior, reflecting the care and attention invested in the construction. This Model A is more than just a showpiece. It runs and drives extremely well, making it suitable for local cruise nights, car shows, and weekend road trips. The clean title, quality craftsmanship, and classic street rod appearance make it an attractive option for collectors and enthusiasts alike. With its combination of vintage character, upgraded performance, and refined presentation, this 1928 Ford Model A Sedan Street Rod represents a standout custom hot rod that is ready to be enjoyed immediately. 4. 1928 Ford Roadster. Price, $34,900, located, Port Huron, Michigan. The 1928 Ford Roadster is a premium all-steel hot rod built to an exceptionally high standard with attention to detail throughout. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine backed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission, this Roadster delivers reliable power and smooth performance. A polished Curry 9-inch rear end, raised water pump setup, and classic tri-power induction system contribute to both performance and visual appeal. This vehicle underwent a complete frame-off build and has accumulated only a few hundred miles since completion. Nearly every component has been restored, polished, plated, or replaced, creating a show-quality presentation from top to bottom. The suspension features polished independent front suspension components and coilovers at all four corners, while four-wheel disc brakes provide excellent stopping power. Inside, the Roadster offers a beautifully finished black interior with heated seats for added comfort. The paintwork is outstanding and complements the polished wire wheels that enhance the car's classic appearance. With more than $80,000 reportedly invested in the build, this Roadster represents a significant undertaking. Combining show-quality craftsmanship, modern drivability, and timeless styling, this 1928 Ford Roadster is an impressive hot rod that is equally at home on the show field or the open road. 5. 1936 Plymouth Coupe. Price, $19,850, located, Coal City, West Virginia. The 1936 Plymouth Coupe is a classic hot rod that offers vintage styling, dependable V8 power, and a comfortable custom interior. Powered by a small block Chevrolet engine paired with an automatic transmission, this coupe delivers smooth acceleration and reliable cruising performance. The engine has been enhanced with performance upgrades and produces a strong, refined sound through its dual Flowmaster exhaust system. Designed as a practical street-driven hot rod, the vehicle is equipped with power steering and power brakes, making it easier and more enjoyable to drive. Additional upgrades include locker components, ladder bars, a quality stereo system, and a custom interior that complements the car's classic appearance. The chassis and frame are reported to be in excellent condition, providing a solid foundation for years of enjoyment. The exterior retains the timeless lines that make pre-war Plymouth Coupes highly desirable among hot rod enthusiasts. Great tires and a well-sorted drivetrain help ensure dependable operation whether attending local cruise nights, weekend shows, or casual road trips. The included hood and clear title add to the vehicle's overall appeal. With its combination of classic design, upgraded mechanicals, and comfortable interior, this 1936 Plymouth Coupe is an attractive and affordable custom hot rod ready for its next owner. 6. 1929 Ford Model A Sedan. Price, $24,500, located, Girard, Ohio. The 1929 Ford Model A Sedan is a custom-built hot rod that perfectly blends classic styling with dependable V8 performance. Finished in black paint accented with a subtle brown metallic effect, this chopped sedan delivers an aggressive stance while maintaining the timeless character of the original Model A design. Built with a fiberglass body and a clean title, this vehicle is designed to be driven and enjoyed rather than simply displayed. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing strong performance and smooth operation. A durable 12-bolt rear end helps transfer power efficiently, while the vehicle remains comfortable enough for highway driving. The owner states that the car is capable of cruising at highway speeds with confidence, making it suitable for road trips, cruise nights, and weekend events. Inside, the sedan features a custom interior, tilt steering column, functioning gauges, and operational lighting systems including LED lights and turn signals. The attention to detail extends throughout the vehicle, creating a practical and enjoyable driving experience. With its unique appearance, reliable drivetrain, and unmistakable hot rod personality, this 1929 Ford Model A Sedan is a true attention-getter wherever it travels. 7. 1931 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price, $29,000, located, Morgantown, Indiana. This 1931 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a striking custom hot rod featuring a heavily chopped roofline and a 4-inch channel that creates an aggressive, low-slung appearance. Finished in purple with a gray interior, the coupe embodies traditional hot rod styling while incorporating proven Chevrolet performance components. The dramatic stance and custom body modifications ensure this vehicle stands out at any car show or cruise event. Under the hood sits a powerful 355 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine fed by an electric fuel pump and paired with an automatic transmission. This combination provides dependable performance, smooth shifting, and excellent street manners. The drivetrain has been selected to offer strong acceleration while remaining practical for regular enjoyment on the road. Additional custom touches include classic 1939 Ford taillights that complement the coupe's vintage appearance and reinforce its traditional hot rod character. The vehicle presents as a well-executed build that balances style and functionality. Its distinctive roof chop and channeling work create a profile that immediately attracts attention from enthusiasts and collectors alike. Whether displayed at events or driven on weekend cruises, this 1931 Ford 5-window coupe delivers classic hot rod appeal, V8 power, and custom craftsmanship in one memorable package. 8. 1931 Ford Pickup Rat Rod. Price, $15,500, located, Appleton, Tennessee. The 1931 Ford Pickup Rat Rod is a bold custom truck built with classic hot rod attitude and big block Chevrolet power. Finished in black and featuring a rugged appearance, this pickup embraces the traditional rat rod style while offering strong performance and unique character. Its unmistakable stance and mechanical upgrades make it an appealing choice for enthusiasts looking for something different from conventional restorations. Power is provided by a Chevrolet 348 big block engine equipped with a vintage speed Rochester tri-power setup, delivering impressive visual appeal and strong performance. The engine is paired with a PowerGlide automatic transmission, a combination known for reliability and simplicity. The drivetrain provides smooth operation while maintaining the aggressive personality expected from a custom-built rat rod. The truck features front disc brakes for improved stopping performance and an air-ride suspension system in the rear that allows for adjustable ride height and enhanced visual impact. These upgrades improve both drivability and appearance. A clear title further adds to the truck's appeal and ownership convenience. With its distinctive styling, big block power, and custom features, this 1931 Ford Pickup Rat Rod offers an exciting opportunity to own a unique hot rod that is ready for shows, cruises, and weekend adventures. 9. 1930 Ford Sedan Hot Rod. Price, $35,000, located, Schuylerville, Indiana. This 1930 Ford Sedan Hot Rod is a powerful custom build that combines classic Ford styling with serious big block Chevrolet performance. Finished in red with a brown interior, the sedan presents a traditional hot rod appearance while offering the power and excitement expected from a modernized custom vehicle. The clean body lines and aggressive stance make it a standout wherever it appears. At the heart of the build is a massive 468 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, creating a combination that offers strong acceleration and comfortable cruising capability. A polished Curry rear end adds durability and visual appeal while supporting the vehicle's high-performance setup. The sedan is described as running exceptionally well and providing a strong driving experience. While some finishing work may still be desired, the vehicle already offers excellent presence, performance, and usability. Its hot rod character is evident throughout the build, from the engine bay to the overall stance and presentation. For enthusiasts seeking a classic Ford body with substantial Chevrolet power, this 1930 Ford Sedan Hot Rod represents a compelling combination of vintage style, custom craftsmanship, and impressive performance potential. 10. 1929 Ford Model A Hot Rod. Price, $30,000, located, Kingsport, Tennessee. The 1929 Ford Model A Hot Rod is a professionally built custom street machine that combines traditional styling with modern performance upgrades. Featuring an all-steel body with extensive custom modifications, this chopped and channeled Model A delivers an aggressive appearance while maintaining the timeless character that makes early Ford hot rods so desirable. Built with attention to detail throughout, this vehicle is designed for enthusiasts who appreciate quality craftsmanship and strong performance. Power comes from a rebuilt Ford 302 roller V8 engine paired with a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit and stall converter. Aluminum cylinder heads help improve performance, while the drivetrain provides excellent reliability and responsiveness. A custom-built frame, Willwood disc brakes, and a posy rear end with performance gearing contribute to confident handling and stopping power. Additional highlights include a custom walnut dashboard, upgraded gauges, LED lighting system, new radiator, classic white wall tires, and fully operational lights and turn signals. The car is reported to be extremely fast and nearly new throughout. With a clear Tennessee title and high-quality components, this 1929 Ford Model A Hot Rod is an outstanding custom build ready for shows, cruises, and weekend driving adventures. 11. 1928 Ford Model A Hot Rod. Price, $35,000, located, Batavia, Ohio. This 1928 Ford Model A hot rod is a beautifully customized street machine that combines classic styling with proven Chevrolet performance. Built around a traditional Model A platform, the car features a chopped roof, shaved door handles, and numerous performance upgrades that create an aggressive yet refined appearance. The vehicle offers a unique blend of vintage character and modern drivability that appeals to hot rod enthusiasts of all ages. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 350 engine bored to 355 cubic inches and equipped with camel hump cylinder heads and roller rockers. Power is delivered through a turbo 350 automatic transmission, providing dependable operation and smooth performance. The suspension system includes a Mustang 2 tubular front end and a Corvette rear suspension setup, enhancing both ride quality and handling characteristics. Additional features include a fuel cell, updated chassis components, and newer tires installed recently. The vehicle carries an assembled vehicle title and is described as running and driving well. Its custom construction and carefully selected upgrades make it suitable for local car shows, cruise nights, and weekend road trips. With its classic hot rod appearance, upgraded drivetrain, and proven reliability, this 1928 Ford Model A hot rod is a standout custom vehicle ready to be enjoyed immediately. 12. 1936 Ford Custom Hot Rod. Price, $28,500, located, Whiteland, Indiana. The 1936 Ford Custom Hot Rod is a powerful street machine that combines classic pre-war Ford styling with strong big block performance. Finished in green and built for enthusiasts who appreciate traditional hot rod design, this custom Ford offers an exciting driving experience along with the unmistakable appearance that makes vintage hot rods so popular among collectors and enthusiasts. Power comes from a 406 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This combination provides impressive acceleration, strong torque, and dependable performance both around town and on the highway. The drivetrain is supported by a durable 10-bolt rear axle that helps deliver power efficiently while maintaining reliability. The vehicle is described as running exceptionally well and offering impressive performance. Its classic body lines, aggressive stance, and upgraded mechanical components create a hot rod that is equally suited for weekend cruising, local car shows, and enthusiast gatherings. The custom build retains the charm of the original Ford design while benefiting from modernized power and drivability. For buyers seeking a classic Ford hot rod with proven V8 performance, attractive styling, and strong road manners, this 1936 Ford Custom Hot Rod represents an excellent opportunity to own a distinctive and enjoyable vintage street machine.